Well, the Ripcaster, my name's John Nelson, and we're a hi-fi dealer based between Reading and Oxford in the UK. It's a beautiful spring day here in South Oxfordshire. Perfect day for a new product launch. We've got one here for you, the new Linn Majik DSM. This is the 6th iteration of the Majik DSM, first introduced in 2011, and this is the latest and greatest incarnation. Now let's open up the box, see what we have inside. So we've got the usual Linn accessory pack, mains cable, infrared remote control, and here is the actual new DSM itself. Let's take it out of its plastic wrap. Immediately we see the buttons that were on the previous unit have disappeared, but we've now got the addition of the rotary control here, which gives you volume control, etc. on the device. We'll put that on the turntable, then you can have a full 360 view of the product. So on the front we've got a protective sleeve here, also one on the glass cut control on the top. Very elegant. Obviously we've got a monochrome display on here, which you'll see when we power it up. We've got the headphone jack, and if we rotate it, and as you can see on the rear panel, we've got plenty of connectivity. It's an all-in-one unit, so you can see over here we've got our speaker connections. So internally we've got two 100 watt amplifiers into 4 ohms. Substantial binding posts for either banana plugs or spade connectors. And then if we start over here, we've got a grounding strap, we've got our mains input, and it's a universal power supply, so it will work with either 240 or 110 at 50 or 60 hertz. We've got our Ethernet input here. It does have wireless built into it, so you can use it entirely wirelessly. I've got a USB here, so it's USB-C, so moving to the more modern standards. HDMI ARC, so you can get sound from your TV through the product. We've got Exact Link, which will allow us to connect it to Linn's integrated Exact systems, either speakers or Exact boxes. We've got some digital inputs here, coaxial and optical. And then here we've got a very nice feature. We've got both moving magnet and moving coil phono input. So a choice of two phono inputs. We've got two standard line level analog inputs, and then we've also got sub out, and we've also got a line out. So I think if you look at the previous generation of Majik DSM, it was a little lacking on input and output, but they've really answered that on this one. I would say this is a return to form and has got all the connectivity you could possibly hope for. Flip it over onto the base. You can see, let's put it the right way up. We can see you've got the 3 feet, and as usual with Linn products, you can see the person who built it, so thank you, Gary Robertson. So the new Majik DSM is an all-in-one product designed just to simply connect speakers and away you go. It's a fixed configuration, but as you can see from the rear panel, you've got probably everything that you would possibly want on a product. Hope you found that brief introduction to the new Linn Majik DSM interesting. I welcome you to visit Ripcaster so you can see and hear the whole of the Linn range. Thanks for watching.